Welcome to Mathematics 4. So today we are going to simplify this surd. So to simplify this surd, we need to multiply both sides by the conjugate, this side, the numerator and the denominator, by their various conjugate. Okay, so let's get started. So this is our surd. So to get the conjugate, like if this denominator is plus, the conjugate of this surd, if this denominator is minus, the conjugate will be plus, and we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. So this will be root 5 plus root 3. And also it's time, so we can put this in the bracket. So here we are going to have the same root 5 plus root 3. So we do the same. In this case, we have a plus, so the conjugate will be minus. Always focus on the denominator for the conjugate. So we are going to have root 5 minus root 3. Okay, times the same root 5 minus root 3. Okay, so next we can expand the bracket, but before we expand it, don't forget that this minus is for all of these. So always be careful in this part. So if we continue, we are going to have, if we multiply this, we are going to get root 75. We're going to have the square root of 15 times 5 is 75 plus root 15 times root 3 will give us root 45. Okay, so if we look at the various denominator, if we use difference of 2 square, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So divided by 5, and minus root 3 times root 3 will give us minus 3. Okay, so minus, move to the next. So if we expand this, we are going to have root 75 as well. 75 minus root 45. And the denominator will be the same. We use difference of 2 squares. So we are going to get difference of 2 square. We are going to get we are going to get 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, so if we continue, all of the denominator will be 2 because they are going to have the same denominator. No need to simplify and expand. For now, you're going to get it. So they both have a common denominator of 2 and 2. So I can write 2 here as a common denominator. So next we'll have root 75. No need to simplify it yet. Root 75 plus root 45. Okay, so this is the importance of this minus here. To open this bracket, this is a minus times a plus will give us minus. So here will be minus root 75 minus times minus is a plus, plus root 45. We have our root 45 there. So next thing to do is to simplify. We can see that root 75 minus root 75 will give us 0. So we'll be left with, again, root 75 minus root 75 is 0. We'll be left with root 45 plus root 45 is 2 root 45. So we are going to get 2 root 45 all over 2. So this and this will cancel. So our answer can be further simplified as, we know that root 45 is the same as root 9 root 3. So this is also the same as 3 root 3. So this is our answer for this question, 3 root 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.